And I would like to welcome our last guest of this morning. He's come from New Zealand, just work in Dubai, he's an architect, and he's going to talk about sustainable design management for infrastructures project with the incredible challenge of 4-minute talk. This is, sorry, I just would like to introduce you, my friend Simon Nummy.
2 years ago, I took first place in the Seastead architectural competition. I want to quickly show this. I feel seasteaders will face multiple types of storms: meteorological, physiological, psychological, social storms, and we should be thinking about that when we design. Quickly, this was from the competition entry. The ideas are about lifting platforms, lifting buildings above the platforms, and creating a breakwater around using mangroves and vegetation. I believe vegetation will be very important for seasteaders' sanity, and I'm encouraging vegetation wherever I can. Here's a quick overview of 4 different potential types of building modules. We can talk about that later. This is an idea about incorporating the James Lovelock ocean pipe, which is an idea I find fascinating. Again, let's talk about it later. Here is the mangrove breakwaters and a bit of a close-up of potentially what the platforms could come together as. Here's a shot going through the breakwaters. Here's a platform view, maybe what it could look like. Here, we're exploring ideas of a double skin, creating an orangery. I quite like the idea of encouraging citrus fruits, and we can make a few limey jugs there. Here is going into the inner harbour, but moving on. This is an aerial shot. I feel a seastead is about resilience and energy and finding those opportunities wherever you can. The primary structure is based on vertical axis wind turbine structure, and these halos are of photovoltaics, which are above vegetated roofs. So I just wanted to sort of, when I accepted the invitation to come here, I just thought, what would that look like in a French Polynesian context? And this was out the door when I arrived. So I'm thinking the pole house is kind of the image that resonates around the world. But if you're in deep water, it's very hard to build a pole house. So the idea here is, this is a 400 square meter module with an idea of a pole house cantilevering off, and I want to be able to jump off my seastead into the water, so that's kind of what I'm keen to do. But no man is an island. You need to put these together for a community. And so when the modules start coming together, we have an image of the pole houses around an island. And so here, maybe this gives an idea. I see the modules, the platform modules are made up of smaller cells, which I think can be 3-dimensional. We can go below the water, we can build up above the water, and use them for vegetation or other such things. The materials, I'm very keen on Polynesian architecture is about the roof, and I think traditional forms, but in a contemporary way, traditional materials in a contemporary way is what I'm going for. I'm running out of time. Here's a view on the platform. Maybe this is what it could look like. And when we start clustering these modules together, we get perhaps bigger facilities. There's maybe an overview of what it could potentially look like. And there we have a video, it works. Wow. Yeah, so this is a minute, so I think I'm over time. So here, this is a larger kind of cluster, so for bigger facilities, perhaps. I like the idea of the walls are permeable and open up and louvered. And this is clustering around a floating island. As we come round, another idea I am looking at is combining a traditional roof construction with photovoltaics, but you'll see that once we elevate up. Et voila.
Thank you so much, Simon.
Manuia.
I love that. I love the last word, you know, Simon? It means cheers. Don't tell about your story with Fifi, the taxi driver, please.